Today I'm going to be showing you President Business. He's from the Lego Movie. Once again, in my last video I said you should probably go check the movie out. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. So this guy, he has two faces. One of his faces are a mad face and a normal face, like this, kind of dark. He's wearing a red tie, and his hair is kind of like blocked. If you can see, he looks different in the movie a little bit, and he's got gray pants and a gray shirt on. He doesn't really have anything on the back. On the back you can probably see he has orange hair and a white hair on the bottom. So I got him in a single pack. Well, I didn't get the single pack, my friend did. He basically got 3 packs, and they were all 3 of these guys, and he gave one to me because I didn't have this guy yet. And if you didn't see my last video, you should go check it out. So this is probably the end of this video, so I'll see you later.